Is my camera taking up on me? Did it switch back well? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Charlene and I'm back with another video. In today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing. As you guys know, Bath & Body Works had like their annual sale that they have around Christmas time. The first thing they had was like the candles, which I didn't get because I don't really like have candles. Like I don't really like to light up candles like that, so I didn't get that. And then they had the lotions and the perfume, but me and my less than smart self, I didn't check my email, I didn't check the website until like late at night, and it was like only online I could go because all the stores were closed. So I had to buy them online, which I was mad about because I hate paying for shipping and handling. Like I was gonna buy so much more if I was in stores, because I'm like, I'm not paying all that money for shipping and handling, and like everything was already sold out online, so I only got like a few. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Oh, this is what the packaging looks like. I have two of them. Oh, this is fragile, and I'm just like shaking it around. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. The inside of the box has like the inside of the box has like the Bath & Body Works colors. That's cute. I've never ordered online from Bath & Body Works. This is my first time, so I'm excited. Oh, for this one, I didn't pay for shipping and handling because I bought for $30. So I got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 6 things. So they were like, yeah, $5 each. These were all of the sprays that I got. The first one that I got, this is Endless Weekend. This one smells so good. Like I really love this one. I'm not gonna spray it because some of them are Christmas gifts, okay? So we're not gonna be over here spraying people's stuff. Well, I might spray the new ones, but the ones that I know what they smell like are not gonna be sprayed. But yes, they're originally $14 and they were like $5 with the sale. I love this time of year for Bath & Body Works and like all the other stores because they really be out here having sales, and I'm just like, I appreciate you. So the next one I got, this is Sensual Amber. Why did I get this one? Oh my gosh, you guys. I remember when I turned like 16, either I was like between the age of 16 and 21, my dad went to Bath & Body Works and he actually got me Sensual Amber, but it was the perfume. So he got that for me. So I guess I was reminiscing and I'm like, let me get this one because I'm gonna spray it. Oh, it smells really good. This reminds me of like high school days. Yes, he got it from me when I was in high school. Oh, it reminds me of high school. Okay, we're just gonna put that away. I don't want to think about high school right now. I also got the lotion, Pink Chiffon. I got this from my sister, so that's gonna be her Christmas gift. So if she's watching this, Merry Christmas, girl. This one is one of the new holiday ones that came out. This is the Vanilla Bean Knoll. Anything that has vanilla in it, like I'm a sucker for. So let me spray that and see. It smells really good. It's not like strong in your face, but it's, oh my, it smells good. Okay, it smells good. And I also have the lotion, so I can't wait to see what the lotion is smelling like. This is my Christmas gift, so I'm gonna wrap this and put it underneath the Christmas tree for me. The next one I got is Mad About You. This one smells really good too. Where do I spray it? In the air? This one smells really good. I remember my friend, well, ex-friend, someone I used to know, someone I still kind of, okay. This person I knew had that one, and like I used to always spray them because it smells really good. So I was like, let me get it. I hope I got the lotion. I'm pretty sure I didn't get the lotion, but I should have gotten the lotion. Okay, so the next one we have is Frosted Coconut Snowball. This is another one of the holiday collection. It said coconut in it, so I'm just like, let me get it. Anything with coconut always smells good too, right? So let's see what it smells like. It smells coconutty. Is that even a word? This one smells good. It smells like coconut. It smells fresh, like, you know, like you in the island, you know, get you gold, no spray tan, you know. So that's pretty much all of the, where did that come from? That's pretty much all of the fragrances that I was able to get because everything else was sold out or I didn't really want them, but the majority of them were sold out. So that's box number 1. So now we have the other box. I love when I get something new and I'm just like, you know, to go to work or go out and just like, you know, wear it or rock it or something. Am I the only one? Comment down below if you're the same too. Where do I open it up at? Oh, you guys, I also got the Juno code, that beauty blender thing. I ordered it, but they were like, it's not gonna, if you ordered on or before December 10th, you're not gonna get it until after the holidays. I was like, y'all should have told us that before I ordered, because I ordered it on December 10th. I'm so mad. But when I get it, I'm definitely gonna do a review on it, even though I'm kind of late. But they had like a little promotion going on, so that's the only reason why I bought it. I only got 4 lotion. I thought I had more. Oh yes, because they were all sold out. And they're only $3. How much did I pay? I'm mad at myself now thinking about it. Oh yeah, I didn't want to pay shipping and handling, so I was just like, cause it's like $6. I bought for $11.80, okay, with the $6 shipping and handling and the tax, I paid $18. That's $7 that I could have spent in the store buying more. But you know what, I'm trying to get over it. I'm trying to get over myself because I'm the one that did it to myself. Okay, so many of you guys may or may not know, your girl suffers from ashy-itis. Yes, it's a real disease. It really is a real disease. I can't speak. That's how much ashy-itis affects me. It's a real disease, okay? I'm always ashy, like 25/8. Like, I don't understand. Like, I try to put on lotion majority of the time, but 99.99% of the time, your girl is ashy. And it's just like, hopefully this lotion right here can do something to help me, because I need help. But I only got 4. I don't think I wanted anything else. But I should have, because you know, you get to stock up. I wasn't thinking, y'all. Oh, I only got 4. I'm literally here looking at the box. Girl. Okay, so I got the vanilla bean. No, I got 2 of them because, like I said, anything with vanilla in it is a friend of mine. So I got these 2. That will be my Christmas gift from me to me. So I'm going to use one and I'm going to put the other one underneath the Christmas tree. Let's go ahead and smell this one. Put it on my hand like I'm swatching. It smells very sweet, like so sweet, like it gives you like a headache kind of sweet. I might return one of them and get something else. But the spray smells good, but the lotion, I'm a little about it, so yeah. I got the Japanese Cherry Blossom. I got this from my mom because she likes this one. Like, this is like one of the ones that's like the #1 selling one for Bath & Body Works. It really does smell good. It's like timeless. It's really good. So they didn't have any of the sprays available, so I only got her the lotion. So she's gonna have to be happy about that. And the last one I got is the Frosted Coconut Snowball. It smells nice. Yeah, it smells, it's like soft. I'm not good at describing smells, but it smells really good, if that helps. I remember, not last year, the year before last, I think like 2016, they had an amazing one that came out. It was like the best. It was like latte something, snow latte something. It smelled so good. It was blue like this too, and it just smelled so good. When I wore that, baby, okay, let me tell you something, baby. Everybody smelled me. Okay, so overall, I'm pretty satisfied with what I got. I'm just mad at myself for not buying more lotion. That's all. And I can only be mad at myself, nobody else but me. That's pretty much it for this video, you guys. Thank you for sticking to the end. And if you want to see more of me on your timeline, subscribe to your girl, okay? And let me know what you think. Let me know if you guys bought anything from the whole sale that Bath & Body Works are having. Let me know how broke you are, because I'm definitely broke. Oh, the holidays. Love you and love you more. So, yes, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I always say, put God first and you'll never be last. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. God bless.